Guys, welcome. My name's Lee. This video I'm just going to talk through the BaD relay on the 13th of June. So Booth and District run this relay and they have done for the last couple of years. The way it works, you can either have 30-minute time slots or 1-hour time slots whereby you will start on the hour or on the half hour or on the half past, and you will run as far as you can for that allotted time. The next person will then start. It's virtual, okay, so you don't have to be in a specific area. What I will say though is, because we're not a formal running club, that any injuries or anything you do incur on your run, you run in, okay, at your own risk. This isn't an event, okay, this is just some fun. Whereby somebody calculates all the numbers. There's no prizes, alright. There will be first, second, third, but there's no prizes given out. This is just all for fun, so you're running at your own risk. Couple of rules that we need to follow with the guidelines. Okay, we need to ensure that we are following the guidelines. Most of you now should have fitness apps, which means you can crop the time down. So if you go 40 seconds over, you can crop it down to 30 minutes, or if you're doing a 1-hour slot. The run is not to be downhill, and it can either be out and back or a nice loop. Because it's virtual, that means the runners will complete their runs smack on the time. So if you're scheduled to run at 8 o'clock, your run starts at 8 and then finishes at 8:30. Once you finish your run, you're going to email a screenshot of that run to myself at leerunsultras@gmail.com. I will then forward and keep Booth and District Running Club up to date with timely updates from yourselves. Okay, and then midday Monday we should have the results back on how we've done. Remember, veteran runners, this isn't about winning. This is purely for fun, involvement and enjoyment. Let's see if we can fill up the names. Let's see if we can fill the slots. If you do want to fill more than one slot and you want to run once in the morning or once in the evening, if we don't get that much interest and we need more runners, then I'll be more than happy to put your name in again. I want to get these filled as soon as possible so I can email the team to Booth and District Running Club, so we are set in stone and we can move forward with that team, so you've got plenty of time. If you do have BaD running kit, then please do run in that kit and make sure you take a photo and also post it to BaD Run. If you don't have any kit, that's fine. Still post a post on BaD Run, and if you want to, do a couple of seconds video and I'll create a montage at the end. BaD runners, once again, I'd like everybody possible. If we can put 2 teams, that'd be perfect. I'd like everybody to get involved with this, and let's compete with the big boys. Let's see what we can do. For now, we'll catch you later. #reaching out. Any questions, drop them in the comments below.